Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I did this look using all drugstore products. If you want to see how I got it, please keep on watching. So I'm just gonna prime my eyelid using this BH Cosmetics Total Coverage Concealer. I mainly want to use products that you can get in stores, like you can get this in Ulta. Oh, that's a lot. This is in 121. Also get the BH Cosmetics and It's My Ray palette, which is in Ulta, and it comes with highlighter, contour, and eyeshadow palette. But I will be using this one more. And my brushes are Drugstore, so that's good. So I didn't set my eyes, but we are going to be doing a purple eye look. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Connie. Not Connie. Friday, which is right next to it as a transition. Also, I will be recording a makeup collection video, and then this is also the brush I'm using. It's a e.l.f. eye blending brush, and now on an e.l.f. what is this called? Crease brush. I'm gonna take Connie, the dark purple shade right here, and place that right underneath of it. And now, using the first brush we used earlier, I'm gonna blend it all together. Okay, so now going back to that crease brush, I'm gonna tap off the excess purple, and I am gonna go into the ColourPop Yes Please palette. And I'm going to take this dark brown shade right here. But if you use this palette, you could just use a dark brown shade in here called Midnight. This shade right here. The one all the way to the right next to that brown. So I'm going to use this. And just place it on the outer corner. And just blend towards. I'm gonna take Tiffany, this shade right here. I'm not gonna wet it. Look how much it picked up. Okay, so I did my eyeliner off camera. I used the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in Midnight. This one. I used to love this, but then I started using the Stila one. Oh, sorry. And I really love the Stila one more. And I put on these kiss lashes. What's going on? I put on these kiss lashes in Demi wispies. They're really pretty, as you can see. These little lashes are like a board for the contour, so like they don't close up my eyes, and they really look really good. And I just prime my face, and I use my Hard Candy mattifying primer on my chin and on my forehead, the areas I get oily the fastest and the most. And I just use this poreless primer everywhere else by e.l.f. and which is a air thing. Let me see how much I got left. So I use most of that. Anyway, so now for foundation, I'm gonna try and mix. I have the CoverGirl 320 foundation, Ready Set Gorgeous. I have the Maybelline Fit Me in 375. I thought it was my shade, but it's not. So I'm trying to mix these. I'm gonna go with the darker one first. I would usually mix the darker one, the Maybelline one, with my Clinique one that doesn't match me. But I want to use all drugstore products, and that's not drugstore. So I'm gonna try and mix it with this. So the brush I'll be using to blend this out is my e.l.f. Ultimate blending brush, like this. So now I'm going to highlight with the NYX concealer in Cocoa. One thing I don't like about this concealer, I don't like having to go back in a lot of times on concealers. Like, this not even that brightening. I usually like to use my ColourPop concealer, but you have to order that online. So now I'm going to cream contour with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Mahogany. I believe it's the darkest shade. Okay, so that concealer is not highlight enough. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this BS Cosmetics concealer. And now for powder, I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution banana powder, and I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me powder in dark 40. I'm gonna take Sunset, like this red, and put that and smoke that underneath my lash line. And now I'm gonna take this powder brush and brush everything off. Powder brush, it broke, but I'm gonna take this and swirl it. After that, now your face looks really powdery, and that's not what you want. So we're gonna spray our face with the e.l.f. Mist and Set, the Magic Mist and Set to be clear. So now I'm gonna contour using the contour shade in here. It's called Brownie Bite. I'm just tapping there a little bit, and do my forehead first. And now for blush, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me blush in Berry. I like a lot of blush. Highlighter, the best part. You can use a shade in your BH Cosmetics palette. I also have this ColourPop highlighter, but you have to order it online. And I also have e.l.f. highlighters. So I'm gonna just use this one on my nose. This is in Blush Gems ready to go down the nose. Ooh, girl. So now for the side highlight. If you don't like glittery highlights, this won't work for you. See, this is so like natural. Now I'm gonna go over it with the shade French Toast right here. Just one tap and tap it off. And go right here. For the inner corner highlight, I'm gonna take this pencil brush and this shade right here called Moonlight. It looks white, but it's golden on the skin. For mascara, I'm gonna use my Lash Princess mascara, the purple one. I'm really going lightly so I don't move my fake lash, because I have trouble with fake lashes and keeping them on. And I press it down so my real lashes can blend. Was that too much red? I'm gonna do this ColourPop look. Actually, first I'm gonna outline it. I'm gonna line my lips, because a look of lipstick, you need to be prepared. I'm using this Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Brandywine. Put the lip stick on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below for more like this. Also, if you have any ideas or videos you want me to do, just comment down below. I will definitely do them. All it takes is one comment and I will most definitely do it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll link down my social media and my latest videos down below in case you want to check out some more. And yeah, thank you guys. Bye.